Hello friend, greetings of the day. My name is Sam Rahman and today in this video I'm going to discuss about what is tax exemptions. You might be heard about these terms, tax exemptions, right? So that's all about we'll be discussing in this video. So before starting the video, if you are new to our YouTube channel, then please consider to subscribe our YouTube channel to get the further knowledge in future and the notification as well. So first of all, let's talk about what is tax exemption. Later we'll easily discuss about the process, how used to do these things and how the beneficiary get benefits by this tax exemption process. So tax exemption is an law or the provision under which the individual or the institutions or the organization used to get the tax wiped up by the government process. Definitely there should be some provisions, right? So that's all we'll be discussing soon. So tax exemption, it may applicable to any individual, to any organization, to any institutions or the charitable trust, society, NGOs, by which government used to impose no tax on your incomes, on your liabilities, assets. It comes under the income tax guideline, subsection 1 of section 12A on the form number 10A. Remember these terms. Clause number 2 of subsection 1 of section 2012A on the form number 10A of income tax guidelines or the law. So by this provision, government used to seek the application from the individual or the business owner or the organization head, institutional head, by online application, that why we should give you tax exemptions, why you need tax exemptions from your income, right? So this is an entirely online process. Income tax portal, if you visit the income tax portal and if you log in by putting your PAN details, then you will be seeing the option to fill your income tax return for individual, for non-individual, for institutions or business, like the non-governmental organization, right? For the charitable trust or funds. So on that section, charitable trust or the NGOs, if you search for the 80G and 12A, you will get the tax exemption details, on which you need to produce your organization's details, like your registration certificate, if you are running an institution, if you are running any organization for the social cause or the charitable institution or the trust or society or any kind of NGOs. What is NGO and how to register NGO, I have discussed earlier. You can check out my videos on the description or my YouTube channel. You can find the details to learn or to register the NGOs or the societies, right? So let's talk about tax exemption process. So if you submit the online application by putting by filling the form online and uploading all the required documents like PAN card of your organization, institution, bank accounts, members details, or certificate or the legal license details, within 20 to 25 days you will get the 12A registration and 80G registration. So till now we have discussed about 12A. So under 12A, this is one type of tax exemptions under subsection 1 of section 12A, and later one, another one is there, is called 80G. So the same section under subsection 1 of 80G section of income tax law, on which you need to accordingly, the first one you fill the form for the 12A, the same process you need to fill online form and you need to upload the documents to the portal, like registration certificate, PAN card, or the members details, or the activities, objective details of your institutions, organizations, or the NGOs or societies. Then later on, within 30 to 25 days, they will verify and they will issue a certificate by your mail. You will receive that certificate. That's all about the registration process for the tax exemptions. So by this tax exemption, there is a multiple types of benefits. If your organization is a non-profitable or charitable organizations, then need to be a hectic management system or the headache for the management, because you are running by the people's donations, by the fund from the CSR or from other institutions. So you have no valid business for that. You are doing all this kind of things for the social cause, for the social responsibility, for the social welfare. That's why there is no income from the sources. You are gaining the donations from the peoples or the institutions to seek to help the people who is in need. That's why the institutions used to get free from the headache of income tax. Yes, as well as the donor who is to donate you. Like I am willing to donate to your NGO or the institutions or the organizations. Then as well, if I donate to your NGO or the organizations and your organization has the valid 12A and 80G certificate under the tax exemptions of income tax law, then as well as from my income, that amount will be not taxable. Like if I donate you 1 lakh rupees, that 1 lakh is obviously my income, but for that income, I should not pay the tax to the government. So that's are the like benefits of 12 and 80G, as well as if you are seeking a foreign funds like other countries or other institutions, then you need to produce that type of certificate like 12 80G registration certificate, PAN card, bank details, all details you need to produce. So that's are the benefits of 12 and 80G. So that was all about 12 80G benefits and a discussion about the registration process. That's all for this video. If you need any kind of clarification for the registration guide or the consulting services, you may call us. The number has been given in the description below, as well as my email ID, WhatsApp number also given. You can directly reach to me for any kind of help. Thank you so much for watching this video.